Hello everyone. Today we're going to be whipping up a quarantine cocktail, one of my personal favorites, the Irish coffee. So for this, it's going to be a little bit of a variation. Instead of utilizing an Irish whiskey, I'm actually going to be utilizing some proper Kentucky bourbon. So what we're going to do to start off, we're going to measure out 2 ounces of our whiskey right into our glass. Next, I'm going to take a spoonful of sugar, helps the medicine go down, right into our cocktail, and I'm going to take a second scoop and we're going to put it right into our shaking glass. So next, into our shaking glass, we're going to put about 2 ounces of heavy cream. What we're doing here is we're going to be making a layer of whipped cream. So in order to help that whipping, we're going to add 1 ice cube to help in the whipping process. And while we're shaking up our whipped cream, we're going to start adding our coffee. Here I have some Italian espresso, but you can use drip coffee or a French press. We're not going to go all the way to the top, but we're just going to go pretty high, between 4 to 6 ounces of coffee. And at this point, we're going to start stirring in our sugar and whiskey right into that cream. And if you can't do a shake and stir at the same time, there's no reason that you have to, but it's really fun. So our coffee is now good and mixed. In this case, I really want to have a good whip, so get a real hard shake. In this case, I can see our cream is nice and thick. Take our strainer, and you can use the back of a spoon. Really have a good separation of our cream to coffee. And there we are. Classic Irish coffee right in your home. Cheers, everyone. That's good.